Well, hello everybody. It is Karynjean. Welcome back. Welcome back. I have, what is today? Sunday, January 3rd. I did straighten out a little bit of my fabric. I will show that to you maybe at the end of this video, a little bit of the organizing that I'm doing. Trying to clean up. Not quite sure it's working. I realized I have five journals in progress. I do not like having 5 journals in progress. So what I'm going to do is, I know the most recent journal we've been working on is the Safari journal, and we will finish that one. And I do want to make a quilt for the Safari journal. I'm going to put the quilt on hold because I have the scraps left over from the Pooh quilt that I just made, and I want to make, just using the large squares, just throw together a Pooh quilt. So that's what I'm going to do. But what I'm showing you here is my cousin's wife. See if you can see this. Yeah. My cousin's wife was cleaning out her craft space and sent me a box of things that she thought I might be able to use in my journal making. So I'm going to try to put the box over here and let's see what we got. Doilies. I don't know if this is, it's a felty type. That'll look cute in a journal. It's thick. It's kind of like felt, so that's cute. What do we have here? Looks like stickers. Looks like Easter stickers. The Creative Spring Medley stickers. That's exactly what it is. Let's take a look. And it was very nice of her to send this to me. So let's give a shout out to Sherry Jones. It's a common name. So, oh look, just cute. Let's see. Oh, these will look cute in a journal. Yeah, little Easter journal, springtime journal. Very nice. I'm not quite sure what type of crafts Sherry does, so buttons up. Oh, look, cute little buttons. Photo safe, adhesive buttons. Oh, that's cute. I certainly can put those together, use those. Celebrate it. Oh, well, yeah, we could always use these, right? Little flowers. Thank you, thank you. Oh, look, washi tape, red and white washi tape. Oh, I could have used that at Christmas time. I couldn't find my tape. I was using washi tape to wrap presents. What's this? The ABC Pack Nautical Blue Die-Cut Decorative Shapes. Looks like alphabet letters. Looks like alphabet letters. And yeah, it's the alphabet. It's the alphabet. Look at that. Oh yeah, definitely make that, put that to use. Okay, just put that aside. Look at what fun recollection. Oh, look at this. This is probably adhesive. Lace on a roll. I bet you it's adhesive. Purple, hello, my favorite. It is adhesive. Oh, look at that. Definitely use that. Throw that away. Oh, I see. I see. What are these? Oh my gosh, look, it's got a lot of these. This is a corner. That's nice. A bow. Wonder why she's not using this stuff anymore. Oh, there's another corner one. Punches. I couldn't think of what they were called for a second. Look at that one. Very nice. What else do we have? Croft and Barrow. Don't know what that is. And here's another one of those blue die. Oh, look, we have lots of those die cuts. Green, blue, more green. Here's some red. These might be numbers. The 1, 2, 3 pack. Okay. A little pom-pom there. Very cute. Here's more blue. Is this also adhesive? Trim. Looks like it's adhesive as well. I use that stuff all the time in my journal making. Oh, look at this one, purple. I wonder what she was doing with this, right? What fun. Oh, that's going to be nice too. Of course, now I have to find a home for all this stuff. Oh, and here's black and white, just like the red and white washi tape. There's red. There's a bag here full of stuff, so we'll go through that in a minute. Here's green. Here's another one of these little pom-pommy things. Cute. And at the bottom, oh, there's a pen or a pencil. Pencil. Oh, and here's a pink one. Look at that. Very nice. And at the bottom of the box, a couple of pencils. The bows and the flowers maybe fell out of a bag. Look at that one. That's pretty. Oh, I like that. Isn't that pretty? And this is kind of orange. Okay. So I'm going to put this, just until I can find a home for everything, back here in the box. This is going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, I'm just going to put that and put the box aside for now. And see, now we have this huge bag full of stuff, right? What do we have here? Oh, the little tab. Oh, and look, they're also adhesive. Isn't that cute? Find things to do with these. My goodness. This is stickers, right? Yeah. Stickers. Very nice, very nice. Oh, look at this. Cute, funky multi-sticker pack. Doesn't even look like she's used some of this stuff. Oh, ribbons and everything. That right there is a journal in itself, isn't it? Look at that. Letter it. Thanks. Oh, grateful. You're the best. Stamps. I like the letter it. Ranger letter it. Thank you. That's very nice. Very nice. I'm very excited. What's this? Jet Set Day Tripper Spring Break. Oh, travel stickers. Stickers. Here's a punch out. Oh, here's more stamps. You're invited. Place. 'Tis a surprise party. Let's celebrate. Nice. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, here's more of these. Maybe that went with that one. Oh, for heaven's sakes, look at all this stuff. Oh my gosh. Congratulations. You've taken some memories. What is that? Creative memories. I guess she did a lot of scrapbooking. I'm not familiar with creative memories, but this seems to be all photo safe stuff, right? Making scrapbooks. I remember years ago when my mother's 70th birthday. Oh, isn't that nice? Those are also, oh, these might be window clings. What does it say on here? Stickopotamus. But see how they're, I don't know if they're stickers or window clings. Binder stickers. Oh, there we go. Anyway, my mother's 70th birthday would have been, I don't know, 15 years ago. And we did a surprise party for her. And that was the very first time I did a scrapbook. Those are pretty ribbons. I like the colors. And of course, I went wild buying all kinds of scrapbook supplies. And so it's why I have duplicates of some things, especially cutting tools, because my daughter and her friends stole my bucket after I made my mother's scrapbook. And to make their own scrapbooks and use it. Adhesive ribbon. Isn't this nice? Looks like Hogwarts. Once upon a time. Crown. Very nice. Oh my goodness, Sherry, this is absolutely unbelievable. The bounty of this stuff. So, these are just triangle cuts. And they're different, look at the sizes, which would be perfect, you know, to make corner tuck spots and stuff in journals. How awesome is that? Oh my gosh, look, those are pretty stickers. Look at all these stickers. Huh. Christmas ornaments. Snow. Looks like Halloween, Christmas. Ooh, watermelon. Poinsettias, that's Christmas. Look at those snowmen. I like them. What are these? Little tags. Those are nice. Gold tags. Not sure what this is. Might be a mat. Photo mat. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck. I can't get it out. There it is. Looks like a photo mat. Nice. More stickers. Yeah, she must have been doing scrapbooking or something. Huh, that's cute. Oh, so pretty. Die cut shapes vacation, and I guess these are the different shapes. Bicycles. I love bicycles. Wow, look at all these stickers. Alphabet stickers. She must have been having fun. Scrapbooks. I'm thinking scrapbooks. I don't know, photo albums. These are pretty. I like these little flowers too. Look at those. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at all this. This is also die cuts. January, February. Calendar accent stickers for the months. That's cute. Hearts. Look at those little hearts. Make use for card making and stuff too. My goodness. Oh, look at the balloons. Definitely make cards with those and stick them in journals. More stickers. Wow. Here are the buttons. Unbelievable. A bit of that lace trim. Cherish. Oh my gosh. Well, Sherry, I am just in awe. I'm flabbergasted at all this bounty. Thank you so much. Oh, aren't they adorable? I will certainly, wow, put them to use. Certainly. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? Wow. So, thank you, Cousin Sherry. Aren't they pretty? Unbelievable. I love being the recipient of other people's bounty of when they're cleaning out. Look at, isn't this fabulous? Oh, and speaking of which, a friend of mine, actually one of my coworkers, his mother died a few years ago, shortly after my mother, actually. And we got to talking, and his mother was a Stampin' Up! Representative, and he said he has an attic full of all her stuff. And in exchange for me helping him organize it, he's going to let me go through and take out what I want. So let's hold on to our hats for that one, right? I have no idea when I'm actually going to be able to get over there and do it, but I will certainly do a video of that bounty. Yeah, so that's what I have at the moment. As I said, I'm trying to clean, so I'm going to make you a little bit dizzy right now as I take this down and swing you over here. I cleaned off that. See, I was making the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the Safari journal, which is over here, makes 5 journals. But okay, let me walk around this way. I still have my other sewing machine up. Towel. Has to go in the laundry. So I was just, cutting more squares, just simple 6-inch squares. I'm going to be using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Usually when I quilt, I use a 1/4 inch, but I'm going to be using a 1/2 inch. I put the paper away that I dyed. I cleaned up my bucket. This is a very old quilt top that I made years ago, probably, I don't know, 20 years ago. This is a quilt that I made for my brother, which is coming apart because thin seam allowances. So I have straightened up the fabric stash. Let me move my chair and move that out of the way. So, and as you can see, everything is folded 6 inches wide. I just wrap it around. So what I have here is Christmas fabrics. Here are my blues going into my greens. Well, that's white. Going into pinks. My brother downstairs being noisy and complaining. And yellows and browns. Solid color flannel. Baby flannel. This is other fabrics that I have for, you know, just printed novelty fabrics, I guess is what they could be called. Over here, I have my, what are these? Homespuns. These are called homespuns. Back when I worked at the fabric store, I bought 5 yards of everything for clothing. Down here is clothing fabric, so it's like a rayon. Here is like some home deck fabrics, larger pieces of heavy cotton clothing fabric. This here is, I'm sorry, I can't, let's see, sorry. Flannel and polar fleece, and down here is that popcorny fabric and my striped flannels, which I like. Then up here we have the buffalo check flannel, laces, just stuff there. Over here is more flannels, but not baby flannels. That's the only way I could describe it. And that's all my beautiful fabric. Well, yeah, I would say that's almost all my beautiful fabric. I have a bucket of fabric, I think, in the hallway closet. So, and up here are my 2 pinks. This was my mother's old bathrobe, which I'm going to make into pillows. This is that pretty fabric I got at, where'd I get that? Oh, what's the name of that store? Oh, and I can't think of it right now. This is beautiful fabric. I made a dress for myself to go to a wedding out of that years ago. Here I have rolls of contact paper and wrapping paper and just different types of paper. And some wallpaper too. And yeah. So my chair I always have to my right a cart that I go to frequently. I'm right-handed. Then there's this cart here on my left, which, as you can see, also has supplies that I go to. I'm wondering if I have any parchment paper because I need to make bread. I don't have any parchment paper. So yeah. So the quilting bug, because I made that quilt, has now bit me again. I'm going to throw together that quilt, but I also want to get done with those 5 journals. So this is Karynjean, and hopefully this new year will bring you all peace and prosperity. Thanks for stopping by.